If you call out, I'll kill you. Got it?
What you want?
I rent an apartment on Marble Street. I want to know why.
Apartment? I don't know what you're talking about. Fucking bitch! I'm gonna kill you! You haven't got the balls. But you're gonna know balls when I catch up with you.
Boss? Is everything all right?
If you value those prized balls, here's Papa. And it's time for you to talk.
What you doing? Stop it! Stop it!
I'm only getting started. How about some more?
Ah! I never set foot in that apartment. In the case to some guy. Said he needed a place. He had money.
What was that guy's name?
I don't know his name, I swear. Shepard. His name is Josh Shepard. That's all I know, I swear it.
There, that wasn't so hard, was it? It's a romantic moment, but I gotta dash. See you next time, lover boy.